Hey, I'm Tom from DIVEIN. Right here I have the SeaLife Micro 3.0 underwater camera together with the Seadragon Pro Dual Beam underwater lighting. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing showing you what you get in the package when you're buying these two units, either separate or as a set. So let's dive in. First off, the SeaLife Micro 3.0, the small underwater camera, perfect underwater shooting that is waterproof out of the box. So let's take a look at the camera here. It comes in a nice protective case. And the camera, quite small, larger size than a GoPro in its housing, but as a point and shoot camera, it's really small. It has this protective lens attached in a small string so you don't lose that one. It's nice. You have an extra leash you can put on as well. So you put it on here so you don't lose your camera when out diving. And then in this box as well is a small underwater USB-C cable. So you use this one for charging up. You can also you attach it here. And the good thing about this is that it's waterproof. There's no opening this up or no O-rings that you need to consider to get in. And the camera is fairly simple. There's 4 buttons on this. You hold this one 2 seconds to turn it on. Instantly it's on. Of course, there's the trigger button out here. So click to do a photo. Video, you click up here, start recording, click to stop. If you want to go into the menu, you click here. Then there's small arrows out here. So you control it here, up and down. To select the menu point, if you want to change the image settings, you click the trigger button up here. If you want to go back, you click this one. So 4 buttons, easy navigating, which means anyone can get in and out fast. It does not take that long to get to know this camera. To turn it off as well, you hold this one for 2 seconds and then it's off. It's really easy to get to know. That was the camera, what you get in the box from the SeaLife Micro 3.0. Now let's take a look at the underwater lighting like you can buy as a set with this. This is from SeaLife as well. This big protective case, a bunch of brochures. Let's get them out of the way. Come on, closer and have a look at this. Look at this case. All right, nice. So you got the Seadragon light here. Fairly large in size, so you can hold it, but not too big that it takes up way too much. Wow, look at all that light. So this has several settings. I don't want to light you straight in the camera, but you can see here what happens. Different pushes, changes into different settings, and then red light as well, and then hold to turn it off again. And then we have the tracer. You have some silicone grease in here. Let me just show this, if I can get this off. You screw to open up, and then there's 2 O-rings here, so you get the silicone grease to attach that. And you have a battery, you take that out to charge. And even better is this tray system. This is the tray for the camera. You can move this up and down as you want. And then we have this. Tap in here, stick it down here, it clicks in. And then same goes for lighting. You stick it in, you're good to go. You can angle your light as you want. And having the lights out the side means that you don't get all this backscatter on the image when you're taking photos. So this backscatter is these white dots. If you have a flash built in on your underwater camera, you get the light sent out and it hits all these small particles in the water and it sends the lights back straight into the camera. You get a lot of white dots. If you ever try that, first time ever doing underwater photos, I think most have tried that at some point. But here you get the lights from a different angle, which means it's reflecting another way, not into your photo. So this is the setup of it. Let's just turn on the lights. Okay, we've got wide beam here and you got the camera here. So this is the setup of the system and it's so easy to set up. You just saw me do it in no time. The camera is easy to use. So this is straight out of the box, a starting underwater camera kit, point and shoot and up to 4K underwater video. Let me just show you the rest of the things that are in this bag. So we got a bunch of chargers, so no matter where in the world you are, UK, US or other parts of Europe, you have charging options, and then here is your charger. This is for the lighting as well, and a small charger for the battery. So you attach these two and then take the battery out, as I showed you before. This was a quick unboxing of the SeaLife Micro 3.0 and the Seadragon Pro, the dual beam underwater lighting. We're gonna go out and do an in-depth review of this, but now you know what's inside the box. I'm Tom from DIVEIN, and this is the SeaLife camera.